If you're looking for the best hand winch for trailers, boats, ATVs, or off-road adventures, you're in the right place. We've tested and reviewed the top 5 hand winches in 2025 based on build quality, ease of use, pulling capacity, and overall durability. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out after the video. Now let's get into it. Number 1, Beck Tour 3500 Lubs Boat Trailer Hand Winch, starting off strong with the Beck Tour Boat Trailer Winch. This beast brings 3,500 pounds of pulling power, perfect for heavy-duty towing. It comes with a 33-foot polyester strap and a two-way ratchet system that makes loading and unloading safer and smoother. The dual gear ratio, 4:1 and 8:1, provides options for speed or power, depending on your load. And with a 9.8-inch ergonomic crank handle, you'll reduce fatigue by up to 75%. It's compact, corrosion-resistant, and built for serious work. Great for boats, trailers, ATVs, and jet skis. Number 2, Link-Loo's 3500 LB Boat Trailer Hand Winch. Next up, we've got the Link-Loo's 3500 LB Winch, another heavy hitter. It shares a lot with the Beck Tour, but adds a few thoughtful touches. This winch features galvanized steel for weather resistance and a high-efficiency double gear transmission with a lifespan rated up to 10 years. It also includes a bright orange strap, handy for visibility during night rescues or low-light use. Like others in its class, it includes two-way ratcheting, a 9.8-inch handle, and easy portability. If reliability is what you want, Link-Loo's delivers. Number 3, LC Indu 800 Lilabis. Hand crank boat winch. Need something a little more compact? Meet the LCY Indu 800 Lilabs hand winch. This is a great budget option for lighter jobs. With an 800 mm horizontal pull and 220 sub vertical lift, it's ideal for small boats, jet skis, and garden trailers. You still get a 33-foot strap, all steel construction, a two-way ratchet, and a surprisingly comfortable 10.4-inch handle. Perfect for DIYers, fishermen, or weekend haulers who need power in a small package. Number 4, Goldenrod Dutton Laneson WG2000 Worm Gear Winch. If you're serious about control and security, the Dutton Laneson WG2000 is in a class of its own. This USA-made worm gear winch has a massive 2,000 pounds capacity with a 30.1 gear ratio, which means maximum control and zero backsliding. It features an automatic brake system that locks the load in place as soon as you release the handle. And with a black powder coated finish, it's made to survive tough environment, from boat docks to farm fields. If safety and precision matter most to you, this is the winch to go with. Number 5, Segamo Tools 600 low-BA manual wire cable winch. And finally, the Segamo Tools 600 LBM hand winch, a great value for everyday hauling. This manual winch has a steel wire cable that's 26.2 feet long and a 3.1.1 gear ratio, ideal for horizontal pulling like lawn equipment, small trailers, or light marine use. The 7.2-inch handle is comfortable to crank, and the safety pawl ensures smooth two-way ratcheting for loading and unloading. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile option for small tasks, Segamo Tools gets the job done without breaking the bank. That's our list of the top 5 best hand winches in 2025. Whether you're hauling boats, loading trailers, or securing equipment, there's a winch here that fits your needs. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and more info. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below with your favorite pick or ask any questions. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a gear review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.